How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
And getting you?
Help me, please. Sure, I can help. Thank you so much. No problem.
Hi there. I'm going for a walk. It's a beautiful day. See you later.
Tomorrow is holiday. Yay, no school. I'm so happy. Let's play. Wait for me. Okay, let's go. Come early. It's important to arrive on time. See you soon. It is difficult. It is easy. You just have to try it. See, it's simple. You can do it too. That is your pen. See, it's yours to use. I am studying. This book is so interesting. I love learning new things. It is cold today. Let's go build a snowman. It is very hot. Phew, so hot. I need to cool down. This is my book. Let's see what's inside. Wow, this is so cool. What are you doing? I'm writing in my book. That sounds fun.